Hi, good morning. Welcome back to Naturally Adrift Photo. I'm Jules, and been kind of not feeling so good the last month or so, but to get a little bit of fresh air, I come out here and walk. And May is the season in which the warblers start migrating through. Most of them have already passed, but I took some photos. Looking back into the swampy area, there's lots of nice shrubs that warblers love. I thought I photographed a warbler a couple of weeks ago, but it turns out it was a warbling vireo. Had to dig out my book to make sure what it was. It's pretty cool. So this morning I'm back out looking for them. I have seen some yellow warblers and yellow-throated warblers. I actually had a pair of yellow warblers that they flew from here over to the pond, and I got them out pretty close, but man, they're so fast. I had a bunch of blurry images, but a few came out. I'll share them right about now. Focus. Oh, he's fast. There. I think I got the little yellow throated warbler. Wow, that was so cool. I don't think I've ever seen one back here, but right back here, there's I don't know, there's some bushes with some flowers on it, and a spruce tree growing right next to it, and there was a hummingbird. I am crossing my fingers and praying that those photos came out. If they did, here they are. Oh, it was so tiny! I can't believe it. I just saw a hummingbird. Not at a feeder, but like in the wild. So cool. And the warbling vireo made another appearance just now, along with probably 3 or 4 Baltimore oriole males. 2 flew off and 1 stuck around in the tree right above me, so took some photos. If they show up, here's the warbling vireo from today and the Baltimore oriole. I'm sure you can still hear them singing. Oh, what's that? Let me put that down. Well, that took a lot of patience, but it is some kind of warbler. I'm wondering if maybe it was a juvenile yellow-rumped warbler. At first I thought it was something I've never seen before, but maybe it's a juvenile yellow-rump. I'll have to double check the bird book, but boy, would it be exciting if it was a new species for me. So I think I'm going to look around just a little bit more, and then I'll roll you some clips of something really adorable, but maybe a bit boring. I'm not sure. But goslings. I mean, who doesn't love baby animals? We have Fred and Wilma have lived here for many years, and they have 6 goslings this year. And so far, they've managed to keep them all alive. But we'll see as the summer progressed. They had like 7 last year, and they lost 3. We do have a pond full of snapping turtles, so. And foxes and raccoons and all kinds of things running around. And last year we did have that Fisher cat. So who knows who got those 3. But this year, so far, all 6 are doing well. And there's a baby bunny running around. I'll throw baby bunny in this video too. So I'll see you later. I hope you enjoy the goslings and the bunny.